Now I call upon the chief guest for today's evening, Mr. Aaron Engstrom, is the Regional Security Officer of the United States of America. I request Mr. Armando to escort him on the stage, please. Thank you, sir, for coming for the event. Now we will cut the cake in presence of us. Sorry, guys. I call upon Mr. Mubarak Al-Rashid. He is a Hindi singing. Please, Armando, escort him on the stage. Come in. I call upon Mr. Sultan Al-Qadri. He also likes Hindi songs. Okay, he's a very Hindi. Now we will just cut a cake in presence of the chief guest and special invitee. So I will call Mr. Mathew De Araujo to cut a cake. Mr. Araujo, DUKHANTLEAN SUKHACHIM MOTIAM. Ini tiatr आपको यूरोप को रिक्तोला सा. I know tiatr Kuwait asa. Pala kami Dubai beta. So all the best for Mr. Mathew De Araujo for your good success. I'd like to request the chief guest, Mr. Aaron Engstrom, to say some few words.
Thank you very much, Gabriel. Thank you for the invitation. I would like to recognize Gabriel and Armando for their excellent Konkani language instruction that I've been undergoing in preparation for today's speech. Deo Bori Sans Diem. Welcome. Nice to see you all here and thank you for joining us. We would like to extend a very warm welcome to Mathew De Araujo and his troupe of wonderful actors. Here in Kuwait, Mathew is a versatile theater personality as an actor and now director with over 40 years of experience, having earned the title Singham of the Konkani language. Mathew, thank you very much for coming to Kuwait and joining us here. I wish you all the best and more to come in the future from KT Productions. Let's enjoy DUKHANTLEAN SUKHACHIM MOTIAM. Thank you very much. Well, all right. If we have to fire the language instructors, we will. Gabriel, Armando, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Now we will hand over the bouquet to Mubarak Al-Rashid Al-Hazmi. our country. And not last the least, but the director of the show, for Mathew De Araujo. Now, the chief guest will hand over the momentum to the director of the theatre, DUKHANTLEAN SUKHACHIM MOTIAM. I call upon Mathew De Araujo. I call upon today's event coordinator, Mr. Malvin Fernandez, to hand over the momentum to the today's chief guest, Evan. I call upon Mr. Mubarak, just by giving a token of love for you, since you have loved Goans, Konkani, and if you like to hear something in Konkani first before I give the momentum to you.
So you made blackmail, huh? Hello, good evening. Dear boy, sound to you. Okay, so just one, my friend, what's your name? Nikki, just he teach me 2 words fast. And also, Felix, he teach me the song also. I would like to thank you, my friend, to invite me and my friend Sultan Henry for this wonderful event. And I always pleasure to be a part of Goan, because really I love Goan from my heart. Before I make one program from Goa. My friend, he passed away. My healed soul, rest in peace. Lawrence, he doing Chaldia college. First time he invited me, I can't forget this moment. And so I will sing this song. I just want, if I say that people they want to sing or not.
Yes.
I can't hear. Okay, let's see. Drum mama, that's it. We'll play, brother. We'll play. Okay, 2 lines. Oh. Well, come on. Let's see something like Viva Goa, Viva Portugal, Otumcho, Mol Kutum.
like any God program, he never says no for me. Okay, and I have to go and teach him Konkani. So anyways, thanks a lot, Mr. Mubarak, and God bless you. This is a token of love from our organization for you because. Now we will present the token of love to Sultan Al-Kamri, Mr. Malvin. He will hand over to him. Now, I will call upon our sponsors. Without our sponsors, we cannot Amjani or Shokul Zaina. So, our Martha, the sponsor, we are giving a love token for them. I call upon El Arabia, Alan Pereira. Please come on stage, please. Alan Pereira. I call upon Mr. Alfredo Lorenzo. Thanks, Alfredo Lorenzo, for your great help. I call upon VNC, Vincent Jukunya. Thank you, Mr. Vincent. Vincent, we have a farm in Goa, in Satiri. So people who like to go Satiri, they can go. I call upon Francis Pereira. Francis Pereira, please come on stage, please. I call upon Victor. For the today's tiatr, आमका artista gift दिला Dana Opticals. I call upon Dana Opticals. Madam, come on stage, please. Now she will give a gift for the artist, please. I'll start from my left. Andrew. Albert. Junior Nelson. Governor King Agostino. Come and take the momentum from the event coordinator, Mr. Malvin Fernandez. I call upon Mr. Bono De Araujo for supporting the show.
Okay.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo.
I call upon Albert for supporting the show here. Albert, please come on stage, please. I call upon Valaka Fernandez. Valaka Fernandez, please. Let's go to the love from Sultan Al Country. I saw the master of music, Mr. Brandon Lisa, all the way from London. Mr. Mubarak will hand over the momentum.
Aku kata music Frampton.
Thank you, Mr. Albert Azovindo. Took a laugh from Indian African culture. आता नेमने सवाल है राम चढ़ारे करा एक ताकतीस मैसेज दी
Poleswaderanga Ajira Aslo chief guest, Estamona Sonia Karzatna, Jobane Koromunda, Alitumi, तुमचा वेळ काढून pomodo श्लोक गेला म्हणजे काळजाची परेक ना तुमका सगळ्या एक केल्या देव बरे करून म्हणटा आणि बा फेलिक्स आणि बा मेबी पशु ऑर्गनाइज करा म्हणटा काय देव बरे करो उलेल्या मागील
देव बरे करो मिस्टर Araujo. आता आमचो तियात्र सुरू करतले